Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be painting. My name is Nina and this is what I'm doing during the lovely quarantine we're all having. So yeah, let's go get my paint supplies. So this is the type of setup I normally do. I never really do my paintings in the kitchen, but you know, it's pretty lighting and yeah, so the aesthetics of course. I have this paintbrush holder that I got from Amazon. And all my paintbrushes I got from Michael's. I have more of them here. I have warm water in here for the brushes so they could just soften up more. A little paint palette thing. My canvas, I get all my canvases at Michael's as well. Lead pencil. I did start painting like way before quarantine even started, but I got all my paints from Michael's and the cheapest ones are honestly the Craft Smart acrylic paint ones. Are like 75 cents, I think. So normally how I start off my paintings is I'm gonna find a photo to kind of copy off of, and yeah, we'll start from there. So this is the one I chose. These are both Craft Smart. These are the two colors I'm going to be using. So the DreamCatcher is white, the background is black. So I want to use a very fine tip brush. So I'm probably going to be using something along the lines of this. Let's just get painting. I'm using this type of like sponge brush because I feel like it gives it more of a cleaner finish as opposed to other big brushes where you kind of see where the bristles go. This, you just don't see any type of like lines on the canvas. So that's why I'm using this one. This is basically dried. I did 2 coats of black just so it's kind of like the blackest of black. And I'm going to be cheating by outlining this like circle from this like bowl, and I'm just gonna stamp it. I also picked up on Google how to draw a dream catcher because I've never drawn one, so I really want this to come out good and I'm just gonna follow it. So I'm gonna take this paintbrush and I'm going to be outlining it probably up until like here so that I could just like stamp it because I have to make a cross. So when you're outlining the circle as you see here, draw it smaller than what I did because I realized I kind of did it too big and you'll notice it after. Well, I think that was supposed to be smaller, but it's okay, whatever. So here I'm showing you like a diagram of how to paint the little leaf looking things that you see over here. So there's one picture and then there's another picture. So you could kind of see like how I'm doing it, and yeah. So I finished the little like flower leaf looking things, and this is what we got to so far. So to start off with creating the strings and the feathers, I'm just creating a line and then I'm creating little knots as you see right here. So to create the feather, I'm just creating an outline of a leaf, so like the shape of a leaf. And then what I'm doing after that is I'm taking the paintbrush and I'm making very little tiny lines within the leaf. And I'm also just dragging it out very slightly after the leaf line so it creates a feather effect rather than like a stiff leaf look effect, if that makes sense. You'll see what I mean. But that's one way of how I did it. I'll show you another way too. So I found another trick to create a leaf that is honestly really easy. So you just use a small tip brush like this. You dip it in the paint. You basically create like these little strokes that form into a feather. When I think of a feather, I think of kind of like a letter V, either inward or like outward. So mine is going outward, so I'm going to create like little strokes. I think this way of doing it is a lot easier and it honestly looks more natural as you see here. So yeah, that's how you create a feather. Okay, so I finished the feathers. So this is what it looks like so far. Because I have a lot of space on the like right side, I'm gonna put follow your dreams in script. I'm not good at script, so let's see how this works. So this is what it looks like. This is something anyone can do, really. So if you're bored during quarantine and you want to do something fun, just get paint supplies and paint away. So yeah, I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, whenever that'll be. Stay happy, safe, and healthy. Bye.
So I'm going to need really just 2 colors, well not 4. You know how I like my peace signs. Okay, no. So the DreamCatcher is white and the black.
Now enjoy me singing to Alina Perez's new album. Okay, bye.
That we've been right here before, as I'm watching this unfold. And I gotta say it, baby. Sunset, sunsets, never been so bright. When you look into my eyes, you gotta say it's true, and I gotta say